Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, honorable judges. My name is Arziki Dzakwaan Jayawiguna.
My name is Rajab.
We are from Junior High School of Fatih Bilingual School. On this occasion, we will be presenting our project entitled Growth and Production Responses of Mustard Green Plants, Brassica L, to variations and formulations using to organic fertilizer, canos, milkfish scales, in aeroponic systems.
Indonesia is a maritime country that has been the largest archipelago in the world and has a coastline of 99,093 kilometers squared. According to Sumarni 2019, the total number of marine fish per year is 6.1 million, or around 7% of marine fish in the world. According to the Ministry of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries, one of the regions in Indonesia that consumes the highest fish is Aceh province, reaching 31.4 kilograms per cap. With increasing consumption of fish, it will produce waste. The waste generated includes meat, scales, fish bones, digestive tract, or gills. One of the uses of fishery waste is the use of fish scales. In this case, milkfish, canos, which we use as a fertilizer in the growth of mustard greens using the aeroponic method. Milkfish scales, which are commonly found in restaurants and fish markets, can be used as fertilizer because the contents of milkfish scales are 7.2% calcium, 32.48% water, 13.16% ash, 2.41% fat, and 45% protein. Because of this content, researchers will try several organic fertilizer formulations which will be tested for their use on the growth of green mustard plants.
Problem formulation. First, what is the right formulation to make organic fertilizer on milkfish scales? Second, how does it affect the growth of mustard greens given organic fertilizer on milkfish scales? Research objective. First, get the best manufacturer of organic fertilizer on milkfish scales. Second, knowing the effect of green mustard growth given organic fertilizer on milkfish scales. Benefits of research. The benefits expected to be achieved from this research are: first, increasing the use value of fishery waste. Second, increasing knowledge about the utilization of milkfish scale waste.
Results and discussion. In this study, the green mustard plants, Brassica L, which was carried out for 20 days. The mustard green plants was carried out with 4 different treatment combinations, which included 5 grams, 10 grams, and 15 grams and control, without the addition of Pusing organic fertilizer. The results of this study obtained data in stem length, number of leaves, and number of roots. The picture above is a 20-day-old mustard green plant with 4 different treatments. A. Mustard green plants with 5 grams of fertilizer. B. Mustard green plants with 10 grams of fertilizer. C. Mustard green plants with 15 grams of fertilizer. And D. Mustard green plants without fertilizer or control. Mustard plant stem length. Results of observation of the average stem length for 3 weeks after planting are presented in the graph above. The increasing length of the green mustard plant stems as shown in the graph above. The optimum growth average is shown in the 15-gram fertilization treatment with the addition of an average length in 3 plant experimental repetitions of 16.5 centimeters. Third, number of mustard plant leaves. The number of mustard plant leaves counted at several treatments combinations can be seen in graphs above. The growth in the number of leaves of the mustard greens as shown in the graph above
is the optimum growth average shown in the 15-gram fertilization treatment with the addition of the average number of leaves in 3 plant experimental replicates of 5 leaves.
Plant roots. The number of master plant roots calculated at several treatment combinations can be seen in the graph above. The growth in the number of roots of the master greens, as shown in the graph above, is the average optimum growth shown in the 15-gram fertilization in treatment with the addition of the average number of roots in 3 plant experimental replication of 8 roots. Conclusion and suggestions.
Conclusion. The conclusions drawn from this study are: first, the best formulation for the manufacture of organic fertilizer from milkfish scales is the formulation of 15 grams of Poussin milkfish scales fertilizer, which provides an optimum effect in the growth of stem height, increasing the number of leaves and increasing the number of roots. Second, the growth effect obtained in the study was that milkfish scales fertilizer, Poussin, had a significant effect on height gain, growth in the number of leaves, and growth and number of roots in the mustard green plants. Brasika Jones
Suggestion. The suggestions given for this research are: 1. Further testing specifically for mineral content in the milkfish scales. 2. Ending and increasing the combination of variation in the amount of fertilizer given.
That was our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.